which is why as you can see, it just takes a moment to get them triggered off to shout Modi. But I want to ask the young people who've come here, why they are here and where are you from?
I am from, basically from Mumbai, but I live here in Virginia and I've traveled 400 miles to come here.
Why? What is it about Modi that attracts you?
He is channelizing the energy of people of India to do something positive, to do something good.
But you really believe one man can change India?
He can channelize people.
One man can change India?
One man can't. All people of India can. He's channelizing those energies. That's my point.
It's not one man. We all are with him. Yeah.
No, it's good that all of you are.
1.25 billion people are with him.
What would you then like to do? 1 minute. One by one. 1 minute.
Okay, I would want him to inspire me. I've been in US for over 14 years. So just like how he's come to US with the Make in India plan for the entrepreneurs, for the NRIs here, I would want him to inspire me to come back to India.
Would like to come back to India?
Yeah.
1 minute. There are also
Of India, which he is representing here. It is not about the vote bank or the Modi. It is the Prime Minister chair which he is representing, which is most important.
Tell me one thing, that there are a number of people who opposed Narendra Modi during the election. There are 31% voted. What would you like to tell those who are still critics of Modi today, who believe that Mr. Modi must answer certain questions that he has still not answered?
Well, before election, we may be a divided India, but after election, it should be one Prime Minister, one India, which is showing the vision.
Okay, tell me, how much I have heard.
I didn't vote for him, but I want to see what he says today, and I just want to
Vote for him, but you want to hear what he says.
Yes.
As the Prime Minister of India.
Yes, that's
How many of you have paid for your tickets? I want to know.
nobody.
All three?
वापिस इंडिया जाऊंगा मोदी को वोट करने के लिए फ्रॉम हियर आई विल गो बैक टू इंडिया एंड आई विल
Live in India. Will you live again?
यस डेफिनेटली आई विल गो
Ready to go back to India?
यस आई एम रेडी यस ऑब्वियसly
Ready to go back to India? I come back to it. Do you believe one man can change a country?
if one woman could lose the country one man can change the country too
Okay. Let me ask you, madam. You have come from Chicago. Huh? What? Did you pay for your ticket?
No,
Because there's a huge. There's some people have
not at all.
get a ticket.
It's online free.
Online free, so all tickets are free.
All tickets are free, and I think Modi leaving.
there was some organizations they will be given tickets like as I am from the off BJP so there was given the off BJP for some quota so you have to volunteer services that's why you get
1 minute. You're coming from Dallas. Tell me one thing. Where are you from?
from Andhra.
You're from Andhra. Madam, why are you, will you go back to India? She's going back, but you lived in Dallas. Will you go back to India if Modi tells you today the Indian American community that you will, that it's time to go back to India?
Absolutely.
Okay, just a minute. Many people believe that the Indian American community talks on. 1 minute, just a minute. Many people say that Indian Americans talk a lot but don't do anything. In fact, the other day, one minute, Jagdish Bhagwati said the Indian American community is caught in puja culture. You want your photographs on the camera, but you won't do anything. You don't do enough for India itself. How do you respond to that? Why doesn't the Indian American community do more for India? Why don't you lobby more strongly for India? Come on, give me an answer.
I'd like to share something.
Ask why is the Indian American community not doing more for India itself? You want your photograph on the camera, but you don't want to do enough.
Okay, I'll tell you something. Ask each and every Indian over here. He will have some investment in India. He's making money here, but he's investing there just to support his country, his back home, his relatives. That is our contribution to India. We want Indian economy to grow. We want.
So I really want to know this. Do you believe that the Indian American community is now coming of age? That you are now, Indian Americans have done very well in America. You've been top doctors.
Yeah, that's correct. I mean, we earn here and we send our money back to Mumbai. I'm from Mumbai. I'm trying to make an investment in Mumbai. But the prices in Mumbai are exponentially high, but we are still trying to make that money and send it back to Mumbai. So you cannot say that.
Come. I want to show you this. I want to show you.
question? You want to answer my question? You want to answer my question? It's an interesting. Okay. This is America. This is America. As you can see. Okay. There are two. Want me to ask you a question? They don't want to answer. There are two Indias. You want to answer? It's live on TV. Okay. I'm going to ask you a simple question. Go ahead. You're here today. I'm here today. Right? This is the great democracy of the world where there are different views. Right? Some of you believe that the media was unfair to Modi. Right? Right? Are you going to let me ask the question? Okay, right? Okay. I want to know today whether the world has changed. Whether the world has changed and whether you believe now. Okay. Okay. So there you've got it. As you can see, this is very much. Let me one thing. 1 minute. Did Narendra Modi teach you to behave badly? Did Mr. Modi tell you to behave badly? Did America tell you to behave badly? Okay. So, as you can see, these are the best way to describe these. The best way to describe this crowd is a frenzied Narendra Modi crowd. You've got to live with that. Back to you in the studio.